Hey guys, um, happy Friday. You made it through the first week. Congratulations. Uh, I'm here at home because we're limiting to half staff every day at the school just to try and promote that social distancing that will flatten the curve, as they say, and hopefully slow the spread of this novel coronavirus down. Um, I'm posting this video today because I want to invite a few of you to come to the school by appointment so that you can help me with some of these Greenthumbs tasks. Um, Man, we have got, you know, dozens of um, wee babies to transplant. We've got, hundreds of plants that need watering and fertilizing. Next week, I want to start what we call hardening off all of our young plants that we're going to eventually transplant into the garden. You can't just take them right out there, of course, because the switch from the warm, safe, humid, calm greenhouse environment to the sort of windy, turbulent, rainy, cold outside environment, if you just, switch them like that, they get shock and they die and they can't survive that. So you slowly, gradually adjust them to those conditions little by little, day by day, for a week or two. The first day you put them outside for a couple hours, and then the next day you leave them out for a half day. And eventually you get to this place where they're just used to those conditions outside, and you can transplant them into the garden after our last frost date in May. Now, that's a lot of work, and I could sure use a little bit of help doing that. So if you guys, you're stir crazy or bored sitting at home, please email me and say, hey, on this day at this time, I could come up there for an hour or two and pitch in and help out. We also have lots to do in the garden. I have about a dozen more shrubs that need to be transplanted. We have the Haney Memorial Tree Project that needs work. We have to fill our raised beds with topsoil, which is hopefully going to be delivered very soon. The irrigation systems need to be finished, and much, much more. So if you'd like to get out of the house and get some fresh air, and you don't mind coming into the school for an hour or two, please shoot me an email. I'd love to see you guys and have your help. So enjoy your rest of your Friday and have a great weekend. And hopefully I'll hear from some of you soon. Bye, guys.